Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make our DIY cover which I have seen on Pinterest as a laptop case. It is inspired by that. So for making the cover we will need this application known as PixArt. It is available on Google Play Store and Apple Store. So when you have downloaded it, open the app and in the bottom you will see this plus sign. Click on it, then scroll down and choose a white background. Now we have to crop it in A4 size paper. In the bottom you will see an icon of stickers. Click on that. You can see here is a lot of variety of stickers. You can choose any sticker you like. You don't have to choose what I am choosing, but if you want to choose that, you can screenshot it and look for the same stickers, if you get what I'm saying. And sorry if you hear my breath because I have stuffy nose, so yeah, I just got flu. It happens. So here you can see I have search quotes, and the first quotation is this: baby, it's you and I like it. You can use any quotation, any picture. You can make themes. You can choose a pink theme, brown theme, yellow theme, whatever you can think of and like. So obviously I have cut the boring part of me selecting from the stickers. As you can see, I am done here. So we are going to click on apply, next, and we are going to skip this ad and we are going to save it into our gallery. So now we are going to make a background for our cover. Here I am going to choose some grid because I like that grid kind of theme. But if you don't like grid, you can choose any kind of background for your cover. It can be picture of sky, your own picture, or any pastel color, any bright color, whatever you want. This is the thing I love about DIYs, that you can do whatever you want, whatever suits you. The selection is literally endless. As you can see, I am choosing multiple grids because I want to make sure that when I print these, it basically fits the size of my cover. So now we are going to save this, and I will see you when these are in a printed form. So let's go. Here they are. This is how the print looks. So I got 3 pages full of stickers in various size because I was not sure which size suits my cover better. You can do the same. See the difference because one is a glossy print and one is a matte print, and these are actually printed on a regular printing paper. These are not any kind of scholar sheets or art card. So let's go and cut these out. Magic. I know it's a very bad transition, but you have to bear with me. So as you can see, I have left some white space because I like it that way. If you don't want, you can obviously like trim it. So now take your background, whatever background you have choose, and take your mobile cover, the transparent one, and put it on the background and trace it so you are not like cutting less paper or more paper, because you don't want any excess paper or any less paper. Like, you got my point, right? So now put it in your cover to see if you have exactly the same size, because you don't want to redo it after you have pasted these all the cuttings on it. I tried this like putting it on the cover and without pasting it with the background, and this is what happened. Yes, it did not stay on its place. So what I have done is that I have choose what cutting I want, and then I have placed it on the background. Then I am picking it one by one and pasting it on its place, so I don't end up with stickers I don't like, and like basically to avoid mess, do it. So as you can see, I have chosen a pink theme, a pink aesthetic. You can choose any aesthetic you want and print those out, but I like pink, so I'm going with the pink. So you know what's the deal. If you like my content and you want to watch more of my videos, go and subscribe down below and click the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I post, and also like so I can know that you are enjoying what I'm doing. And if you have any request for any video, comment down below. Any question I will love to answer. So for this one, I'm going with blacks, mustard and browns because I like this kind of look, and this is my favorite one. That other one was my second favorite, but both I have made and I love them. Okay, now I'm going to go and paste these all up and get my covers ready. I will see you when I'm done. Cue the montage.